Hi guys, I'm Avnish Saravanapavan and currently I'm a 12th grader at Westport High School. So in 5th grade I came to Ocala and I've been here for 7 years now. And the reason I'm even in CF is through dual enrollment, which is a program that Westport offers to seniors, juniors, and sophomores alike. So what we had to do is we had to get PERT tested, and after we passed, we'd be able to go through various courses in dual enrollment. And that's how I will be earning my AA. So currently I have one dog. Her name's Honey. I got her 2 years ago, and she's a golden retriever pit bull mix. And she really loves running around and just going underneath ferns and doing particularly nothing. It's her favorite pastime, and I just enjoy watching her sometimes. When I go home, I usually am playing with my dog, or I'm usually working on some homework project that we have for AP Research, which is a class that I decided to take this year and the previous year. So AP Research is part of the AP Capstone course, and there are two classes offered, AP Research and AP Seminar. So AP Seminar was the first course that I took in 11th grade. And in this course, we had to write about anything that we'd like, but we had to be passionate about it. So for my project with my group, I chose to talk about virtual reality and its implementations in the medical field. And what I found was that it could be implemented everywhere, whether it be through haptic suits to make sure that medical students knew what they were doing before they actually tested on real patients, or through a device called the Animatrans, which is used by medical students in order to learn more about the human body without having to actually go to a research facility or a hospital and put other people's lives at risk. And this year I decided to do some sort of continuation on that project, and I'm actually working with Marion County District officials in order to improve the health clinics in high schools. The way I'm doing that is I'm analyzing data provided through 2019 to 2023, and using that data I'm going to make sure that I can detect a pattern in the amount of injuries, when they occur, where they occur, what gender they are in, and what grade levels are usually associated with such. And as a result, I would be able to compile those together and make sure that in our future years we're more prepared for every single injury or concern that may occur during a school event. So the reason I'm doing this is I'm actually passionate about the medical field. And the first reason I chose to be in the medical field is because of HOSA. So I joined HOSA in 10th grade, and that was my first club. And in my first club, I was the event coordinator. So I took care of the blood drives, all the events that we had for competition. And in competition, I participated in the competitions myself. I actually took part in HOSA Bowl, which one of my teammates is right here as well. And in HOSA Bowl, what we had to do is we had to study medical history, medical terms, and the history of HOSA, as well as parliamentary procedure, which is another topic that I decided to pursue this year as well. And for HOSA, we had to go through the regional level. The regional level was actually super difficult, more difficult than I thought it would be. And then we went on to states. States was super tough, but we managed to get second place. But we really wanted that first place. So at internats or internationals, we studied every single day. I fell asleep doing Quizlets. I took photos of myself doing Quizlet, and it was a really tough time, but in the end, it was worth it because on that final round, I was able to actually answer the buzzer beater or the final tie-breaking question as a result of my studying. And it really helped me boost my confidence in not only what I had learned, but what I would like to pursue in my future. So as a result of HOSA, I've decided to pursue being an anesthesiologist. So an anesthesiologist just puts people to sleep during surgeries. Whenever you go, for example, for appendicitis, you get an appendectomy, which is a surgical removal of the appendix. I would put you to sleep. And in that way, I know it's a dangerous job, but it's also something that I'm very careful with. I understand that there are a lot of chemicals that are taking place throughout the entire process, and I'm prepared for everything that comes my way. So I plan to go to a secondary college, whether it be UF or something out of state. And after going to UF or some other school, I plan on attending med school. And hopefully, I plan on getting to med school in the United States and doing residency. And by that time, I'll be almost 32 years old. And that's a long time, but I'm super interested in learning about the human body, what it entails, how we treat conditions, and how we can potentially make solutions for those problems that we face every single day.